Working in confined spaces involves several dangers: combustible gases and vapors, toxic fluids and gases, toxic organic substances, breathable particles. These dangers shouldn't be taken lightly. Approximately 200 people die each year from complications in a confined space. Martin Supply is committed to keeping workers safe, and when it comes to confined space monitoring, no one does it better than Dräger. Together, Martin and Dräger will perform a full risk assessment, listing the dangers and evaluating their scope so that you can prevent, reduce, or control the danger, as well as go through rescue scenarios. From this assessment, we'll recommend a custom-tailored solution designed to meet the exact needs of your facility. Let Martin and Dräger help you operate better by protecting your people, preventing damage, and providing high-quality gas detection solutions. Contact Martin Supply today and ask about a Dräger Confined Space Safety Assessment. 800-828-8116. martinsupply.com